We did a huge digital transformation when we went remote because of COVID. To operate a spacecraft from your home. Never been done, but we figured out how to do it.
I love the fact that there are the talks and the booth bit. It's a really nice balance. So you can learn, you can meet people, you can check out the new technology. It's a great event, I love it.
The culture of reinvention is about how fast you can reinvent on behalf of your customers and deploy new services and solutions. Speed really matters. It's your only sustainable advantage.
The moving edge of innovation in digital is substantial. It's the unrelenting exponents of change. Every 15 months, twice the power, half the price.
For the last 2 years we've been working at home, but actually to be here, to see different people, to connect, is such a difference.
You're bowled away by how many people actually come. Here you can meet 10, 15, 20 different companies in one go.
Businesses right now are rethinking what the future of work is going to look like. I'm not sure that most businesses have actually got that figured out.
The organizations that go backwards are the ones that are going to struggle.
I had fun, I have to say, sitting in the car this morning in the DeLorean. That was a nice touch.
There's always an opportunity to learn, there's an opportunity to absorb and understand new technologies, and then really it's for everybody's personal journey to connect with people and build that broader network as well.